Hello everyone, I am SciTech and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about how is the connectivity in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So I'll try to mention in terms of the 4G place, in terms of the 5G, in terms of the Wi-Fi 6, in terms of the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. So this video is going to be complete in-depth review only about the connectivity of this OnePlus Nord 2 device. So first quick note, the OnePlus Nord 2 has got really good connectivity. There's no issues with the connectivity, friends. Till now I did not notice any kind of problems with the connectivity. That is the one thing which I can definitely confirm you that. So now let's start with the one by one. Let's see how is the 4G place, because right now only few phones they are able to get this kind of 4G place in the indoor conditions, and a few phones will be able to be that kind of stronger in terms of the signals. So in this section the OnePlus Nord 2 is really great. So not only this OnePlus Nord 2, whatever the OnePlus phone I used before, the 4G signals were really key highlight point for the mobile phone. So these are the only few phones where we can actually get the indoor 4G place aggregation supported as well. Not only one band, not one CC, but 3 CCs. Yes, inside my house I was able to get 3 CCs. I did see this kind of performance even in the other phones, for example Realme phones as well, in terms of this kind of getting more CCs. But inside my house I was able to get the 4G place without any kind of issues using the Jio SIM card. I'm trying to mention about Jio SIM card because in my location with other SIM cards 4G place is not that supported. That is the reason. One quick note about the 4G place. So 4G place is really good, but I need to do the outdoor extreme village type testing. So that is one video is pending. So maybe very soon I'll try to do a video on that particular topic. But 4G place, I am really impressed with this OnePlus Nord 2. In my experience of doing so many videos, I think close to 100 videos, I can definitely say that feeling. So next, regarding the 5G. 5G is also really great. Not right now I don't have the 5G to test it, but still as a future-proof option if you want. The phone has got I think close to 6 bands of 5G, 6 to 5 bands of 5G in this OnePlus Nord 2. That's also another good thing. And next, regarding the Wi-Fi. The phone has the Wi-Fi 6 support. So not the Wi-Fi 6. Let's see what is the 2.4 GHz, because nowadays we are seeing few of the manufacturer, so they are using only 2.4 GHz with the transmit link speed of 144 Mbps. Is it the same case with this phone or not? That is what I'm going to exactly check in this video. So I do know the phone is supported with the Wi-Fi 6. Yes, Wi-Fi 6 is supported. And not only that, even you can actually use with the Wi-Fi 6 hotspot as well. So this Wi-Fi 6 hotspot is not available in the iQOO 7 device. It's not available. It's available in the OnePlus Nord 2. You can create the Wi-Fi 6 hotspot as well. But in the iQOO 7, phone is supported with the Wi-Fi 6, but you cannot do the hotspot. So now in terms of the 2.4 GHz, let's see the transmit link speed, how much it is. As you can see, 300 Mbps. That is what my router maximum speed it can go up to. So 300 Mbps, no issues with the 2.4 GHz as well. Even with the 5 GHz, it should not be issue, friends, because my router is I think maximum only 430 8 I think so. That is the reason. So it should go the maximum. So in terms of the Wi-Fi connectivity, no issues till now. The phone will be able to get that kind of Wi-Fi connectivity is perfectly done. Even if you're having the single band, also no issues. So overall, this phone has I think till now, this is the initial impressions only. Till now I did not notice any kind of problems with the connectivity regarding the 4G plus or regarding the Wi-Fi connections in this OnePlus Nord 2 device. So that is one certification definitely I can give you that. And in case if you feel any kind of problems with the OnePlus Nord 2 device, so let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to check those problems in my device, whether the OnePlus Nord 2 is facing those kind of issues or not. Definitely I'll do my best to post the videos as soon as possible. So if I miss any kind of topic as well, let me know in the comment section below, friends. So sometimes I'm really confused and by looking at all the comments and all the requests. That is the reason. If I miss any kind of video, let me know in the comment section below. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned by following the playlist which I have created for each and every smartphone. Even how to download these wallpapers as well. There's a separate playlist which is available. Try to check the wallpaper playlist. You can definitely find really good wallpapers to set in your phone. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, bye.